Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
Okay, this is Senate Square, Largo do Senado. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight all the different stuff going on here because there's quite a bit. There's a musician down this way playing acoustic music, so we're going to capture that guy as well. And then I'm also going to just do a quick preview where I'm going to look and put everything to music so you can kind of see what I'm going to do. And then later I'll come back and do a walk and talk afterwards. So this is a slight preview of Senado Square. So stay tuned. Senado Square. We're in Macau, Senado Square, up on the map. You can see what it looks like. And I'm going to be exploring and I'm going to be focusing predominantly on this musician. He's kind of a target spot of this particular video. And it adds a nice flavor and feel to the whole thing as well. So anyways, I'm going to do some music my own first where I do the highlights, and then I'll come back with a walk and talk where I come with a camera, and then I'll focus on the musician and just kind of the crowd that he brings in with him, including the photographer for the camera, and the whole vibe. Macau. Music, then walk and talk.
Oh my Macau, it's been a while without thinking of you, Macau, but the thought makes me smile. Oh my Macau, I really wanna see you, Macau. Can you show me, Macau? Oh my Macau, it's been a while. The thought makes me smile. Oh my Macau. Oh my Macau, it's been a while. The thought makes me smile. Oh my Macau. Oh my Macau.
Okay. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be walking to St. Dominic's Church first, which is straight ahead, and kind of highlighting some of this area with all the neon lights. The lights are just coming on as well. So right here is St. Dominic's Church. So this is actually turns into Largo de Domingos. You got that beautiful church right there. Then you also have some really nice architecture all the way around like this. And then we're going to be going down that way, and we're going to capture a musician who's playing as well. You know what, I'm going to just walk around this part real quick. So this is a little bit beyond the scope of our Senado Square, but I think it gives you better context because this is actually one big pedestrian-oriented street. So you can walk all the way to Sao Paulo ruins using the, without any cars anywhere. And then this is this big, beautiful St. Dominic's Church, which is closed right now. Then we're going to look out onto the square. And now we're going to walk into Senado Square. So yeah, and there was a guy playing acoustic guitar down there, so we'll see if we can catch him. I don't know if we can or not. So that's St. Dominic's. I'll just kind of meander a little bit. And then we're gonna start going down this way. And this will change in time, so there'll be lights on that'll be up and up above us, but that's not the case yet. But I think they're getting ready for Mid-Autumn Festival, I believe. So we're gonna keep on going down, and then we also have these kind of nice arcades to the sides as well, pharmacies, stuff like that. Let's just kind of go in briefly. And we're going to come back out, just kind of follow and see what the tourist stuff is. And I want to capture that musician, so I might even get some money ready to try to capture that. Okay, so let's meander down and try to get some money ready to give him. Got my money ready here. I guess all I got is a 10. So we'll support the local musician here who's trying to put some money together with their art. I wish I could give more, but I'll just give this 10 head mob. It's like about $1.25. So we'll drop that into his busking. As long as they play some more music. Just try to capture that. I think they're gonna play.
好，咁我哋呢一首歌咧就係年少之。
Let's see. Is there a place to? Oh no. Oh okay. No.
細路女，迷信上街真理會達到，旗幟高舉，群眾聲討，不惜犧牲一切去上訴，權貴的想法太俗套，只可惜生活是一堆錯字。生命是必須抱歉，而算都好，貧窮都好，啱積蓄足以快樂到，讓他宣判我錯，才痛得好，年歲不保。捐書不必講究有回報，人世間總會有異數。只可惜生活是一蒸百聲，只可惜生命是一聲好氣，怕追討。如
got a musician that they're playing tonight. Sometimes they'll play up on the stage, but lately they've been playing inside this yellow building underneath if you go inside. So I guess tonight they're playing outside, which kind of makes sense. So yeah, this is Senado Square. We're also getting some stuff set up here. We're going to come back into this centerpiece over here as well. So this is Senado Square. And this is kind of the heart of Macau as well. This used to be a street. So these buildings used to be able to park right next to it and such, but now it's not like that at all. Post office is over there. And the music is over there. So a little slice of Senado Square. Looks like the music stopped again. We're just going to come through here and then we're going to end it. There we go.